Hi, welcome to this video. It's about a update, right? Basically, it's about an update. September the 7th of 2020. Something happened to our openbox installation. When we right-click it, we have this white thing, which is beautiful, of course, but it's not intended. You boot it up, you update it, and you say, hey, what happened? It's always due to updates. RIP is something quite interesting to know. So we scroll up and you see, what did we all change? Now, the look is defined by the themes. And ArcoLinux on all the desktops we work with the Arc theme. So that's a giveaway. Normally we have the Arc theme. This doesn't really look like the Arc theme, nor do these bars look like awesomely beautiful, right? It's old school bars or something. Solution first, then I'll explain how I analyzed it, because it's important you can do it yourself. We try to share that knowledge and so you can solve issues yourself, because this is now issue 1, but there will be more issues, right? And you need to be able to analyze it and say, okay, that's how we figured it out. And you can do that too. So first, simple solution, what you need to do, sudo pacman -s, we need to get openbox arc git. Install it, reboot, done, right? You'll see that if we reboot, super shift R is working already fine. And otherwise it would be a reboot or logout or something. So this is the normal look. This is what we should have. That's it. You can stop the video. That's what you need to do. Just enter this. Now, how did I analyze this? So how can you analyze stuff that goes wrong on your system? The reflex I have is go to, Arc GTK theme, yeah, that's it. Anyway, so, okay, first time I boot it up here. So ArcoLinux and then Arc GTK, and that's enough. We have here the theme. It's still maintained, the maintainer is Nico Hood, but it's coming from the GitHub from YNSH Arc theme. So I follow it, and where did I find it? I was looking over the text. Here it says something that say, hey, what's this? Remove openbox theme. And then my first idea was, oh, they have removed the openbox support. I should contact them. After reading this, I know I should not contact them. The openbox theme was included from the Arc design repo under the impression that it was specifically created for the project. However, it was actually copied from an existing project. Doesn't make sense to have the theme developed in 2 separate locations. So basically, they say no support for openbox on Arc theme. Done. They've thrown it out. I don't need to erase an issue here and say, please put it back in. Right? Because they've made their decision. They have a link here, but I knew already about that link because in the past we did not have any support from openbox at all. So we had this on our ISOs. So basically we need to put this back on, and you see it's already quite old, but it doesn't matter. It works. It has a beautiful look. You've seen it's in here already. So it's just some code and CSS. I mean, what can go wrong with it? Nothing really. So maintenance shouldn't be high at all. So this thing is what you just did, sudo pacman -s openbox arc GTK, I think, or was git, I think, right? So that's this thing. How, well, first of all, this is not the exact way I went to it, because you can also do yay arc openbox. You find a theme and package on there on AOR to see, can I do something? And here it is, right? Openbox arc git. It's now installed because it's also on our repo. We have it now on ArcoLinux repo third party. So it's not from us, third party. So there is always a solution. The thing is, right, analyze. But that's solved, but it's of course, well, We can't do anything about it. The only thing is we can do is share again the knowledge and say that's the solution, and you'll have again a nice open box. All right, cheers.